Silver kicks you where the sun don't shine Friday. We're headed into a perfect storm of delayed data, market confusion, government dysfunction, and it's going to send silver prices swinging like a wrecking ball. Check this out. If you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. Last month, Kevin from Kentucky took home a 10th ounce of gold. Click that link I left down below. Be the next winner on that list and take home that silver. Now, check this out. We cannot ignore the part that is not coming out. That's a big deal because this ongoing U.S. government shutdown means that the Bureau of Labor Statistics has delayed key economic data reports like the jobs data, the inflation numbers, and more than a dozen federal releases have been postponed. That's causing traders to fly blind. And here's the hard data. A private payroll tracker reported a loss of 32,000 jobs in September. And meanwhile, economists were expecting a gain. So when data disappears and traders are looking to private numbers or flying blind, with silver, that means volatility. It means big moves in either directions because investors don't try to guess what inflation and growth really look like. And that's exactly the setup heading into Friday. Now, even though we don't have the big official numbers for Friday, the next employment situation report is locked for the following week. And markets always trade ahead of that report. They start placing bets days early. So this Friday is the setup day for that move because as of this week, Wall Street expects the unemployment rate to tick up 4.2% from 4.0% last month. That anticipation alone can move yields. It can make precious metals move before the actual numbers even drop. So if you rush in to buy Friday, you're stepping just before the traders begin positioning for the next week's jobs data. And that's when prices can reverse on you fast. Think of this Friday as the tremor before the quake because the inflation angle is sneaky. The Labor Department's inflation data is behind schedule, and analysts are using unofficial metrics to predict what's next. You don't want that. You don't want analysts making predictions and traders moving on those predictions. Apparently, the department recalled furloughed workers just to finish compiling critical inflation data tied to Social Security's cost of living adjustments. And here's the hard data. That adjustment affects 70 million Americans' benefits, and the inflation estimate, which is due November 1st, it heavily influences consumer spending sentiment. That's tied to the strength of the dollar. It's tied to the 10-year yield that could really jump back to 4.7%. And that's when silver usually takes a hit. Friday could be the day that silver hits you hard if you move too soon. Between shutdown delays, pre-jobs report tension, inflation uncertainty, traders moving blind, volatility kicking up. This is all coming for the price of silver. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. It's a great contest. Every month they're giving away 20 Silver Eagles. 20 Eagles every month. Click that link. Be the next winner on that list. Take home that silver. And I'll see you on the next one.